Today, we will demonstrate a deep cleaning of a wall-mounted air conditioner. We'll show you the entire process, from disassembly to chemical cleaning, and final reassembly. Step 1. Disassembling the air conditioner. First, turn off the air conditioner and remove the outer cover. We will disassemble the main components of the air conditioner in preparation for cleaning. All disassembled parts will be carefully cleaned, using a special cleaning solution. Step 2. Preparing for chemical cleaning. Now, we prepare the chemical cleaning solution. We evenly spray the solution on the coils and filters to effectively remove contaminants. This process helps to clean even the finest dust and dirt inside the air conditioner. Step 3. Mold removal. If it's been over a year since the last cleaning, mold is inevitable. Mold can significantly affect air quality, so it must be thoroughly removed. We use a special cleaning solution to effectively remove the mold and ensure the interior is completely dry, providing healthier air. Step 4. Cleaning the parts. The disassembled parts are cleaned thoroughly, using a special cleaning solution. We carefully clean all disassembled parts of the air conditioner and remove all moisture before reassembling.
봐가지고 또 브리즈번 비 많이 오고 하니까 가위가 씻기지 않아요 그렇게.
Step 5. Checking and cleaning the drain. We check the drain for any blockages and clean it if necessary. Ensuring that the drainage system functions properly is also a very important step.
직접 분산 안 하지만 튈 수 있으니까 약품을 충분히 씻어주지 않으면 냄새가 나니까. 시꺼머네.
근데 이거는 어떻게 보면 굉장히 깨끗한 수준이고.
Step 6. Reassembly and function check. All parts are reassembled, restoring the air conditioner to its original condition. We check its operation to ensure everything is working properly.
왜 그러냐면 이제 에어컨이 나오다가 바람이 이렇게 들어가면 여기 센서란 말이야. 이게 모여야 되는.
Finally, the cleaning process is complete. Experience fresh and healthy air with a clean air conditioner. We offer air conditioner cleaning services at
Clean My Aircon.
Book now and enjoy a comfortable life with healthier air.
이거는 사실 물기가